I'm here with my youngest of 7 today, this cute little nugget, Juliet. You say hi.
Hi.
And we're gonna whip up a really tasty meal that you are definitely gonna wanna make. Juliet, what are we cooking today?
Chicken and vegetable ravioli.
Good, that's right. Are you excited to help me? Yeah? All right, so chicken and vegetable ravioli. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, because I have tons and tons of delicious, healthy, easy recipes that you are sure to love. Right? Okay, so this is kind of like a one-pot wonder sort of deal. I've got 4 cheese raviolis that I already cooked. They're gonna go in at the end, but what we're gonna do is start by cooking the chicken. And I have 7 chicken cutlets, which is equivalent to about 3 chicken breasts, okay? So you could use either. So begin with a tablespoon of olive oil, and then get your chicken in there. So Juliet, look, you're gonna put the fork on the end like this. Watch mommy, okay? And then put it in, all right? And be careful. Turn it down a little bit. All right, put it all in. Get moving quick, 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 quick.
I can't.
Put it in the oil. Got it, girl.
It's popping.
It's okay, it's hot. All right, I turned it down. Want me to do the rest? Yeah? I'll do the rest. Okay, so. All right, so the chicken is in, and then we're going to.
It smells so good.
Doesn't it? We're gonna sprinkle some Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning on the top. Juliet, like sprinkle it evenly over the top. Probably about a half of a teaspoon, which I'll watch her.
Is it sprinkled up?
Yeah, nice and even. Good, a little more. Get that piece. Get this piece. Oh, good job. Yeah, so even coverage, about a half a teaspoon of that. And some salt. About a half a teaspoon. You can't just dump it, because you want it evenly over the pieces. You want to sprinkle it like that, okay? Oh my word. Oops. Okay, so all the salt is in the corner. You're such a nut.
Can you
Right.
retry that?
Yes, I'll
Put more salt.
just sprinkle a little bit over the top, okay?
Okay.
Some got on.
I
Okay,
know.
and then some black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon. It's hard to twist. I'll do it. It's okay. Thank you, though. Okay, so we're gonna cook these cutlets, and they cook pretty
I
fast.
want to do it.
About 3 to 4 minutes on each side. When they're golden, flip them over, and then we're gonna cut them into smaller pieces. I'm just moving them around so they don't stick. Okay. All right. So we're gonna let those cook, and then we'll come back for the next step. All right, this chicken is done.
Take it.
So we're just gonna put it on a cutting board so we can cut it in smaller pieces. And it took, took about 6-7 minutes to cook. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Smell good, baby? All right, so using the same pan, and if you wanna wipe it out with paper towels, you can, but I think that chicken residue is gonna leave a good flavor. So a tablespoon of olive oil, and then, my dear, we're gonna add our veggies. So, do you know what that is?
No.
What?
It smells good.
What is
But I
it?
don't like it.
What is it? You must know what that is.
What? I don't know.
Okay, so red onions. Okay, that's about 1 cup worth of chopped red onions. Okay, and can you grab that little wooden spoon right there? Good girl. And then to that we're gonna add, I know you know what these are.
Carrot.
Carrots. These are 2 shredded carrots. Okay, Juliet, here, put them in. Carefully, slowly please. Okay, so we are gonna let the carrots and onions cook for a minute or two, and then we'll add the garlic. I've got 2 cloves of garlic.
I want to do that part.
Okay, the crusher is over there. You wanna grab it? Okay, so you ready to do the garlic? So it's been a couple minutes. Now we're gonna crush the garlic over the pan, my dear. It's hard, isn't it? You gotta really push over the pan. Squeeze, baby, squeeze. You can do it, you can do it.
I can't.
Okay, I squeeze, you scrape. Okay, ready? Okay, you scrape it with a knife. That's my girl. Okay, wait, another one. Good. Okay, so Juliet's gonna get the garlic mixed in, and I am going to get the next ingredient.
I'm turning 7, but not today.
Yeah, August, not for a while.
August 15th.
That's right. Do you think?
We have a baby named Roland, not a baby.
Right.
So it's my brother's baby.
So yes.
And his name is Roland, and his birthday is August, but not 15th. August, correct?
That's good. Good memory. August 28th.
August 28th.
Yes, he's your nephew.
Yep. Nephew.
You're his aunt.
Yep.
And I'm his what?
Aunt.
Grandma.
Grandma, honey.
Can you grab me that bottle of wine, babe?
I'm gonna.
Hold it tight. You got it. That's my girl. All right, so I've got some Chardonnay.
I want to do the Chardonnay.
Okay, here, you hold this. We're going to put 1/4 of a cup of Chardonnay. Hold it over the pan. Yeah. Okay, pour it in. Too early for a glass, but very tempting. Can you set that back over there, cutie?
A mess.
All right, turn it up a little bit. Okay, next, some organic chicken broth.
I want to do that.
Okay, we're gonna put 1 cup to start, and I may add more if we need it. Okay, hold. Hold it steady. Okay, pour it in. Ooh. Mix away, kiddo, mix away. All right, you ready for salt? This time you can just dump it right in, okay? Teaspoon of salt. Good girl. About 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and you want to get your heat up high enough so that the liquids start to boil. Okay, that's good. Next, can you get me the bag of spinach over there next to you, sweetie? Spinach.
Oh,
Ooh, good. And spinach we love. Why do we love spinach?
Kentucky.
That's right, super healthy.
just
Look at, yeah, so we're gonna put like half the bag. This is 8 ounces. No, this is 5 ounces. Yeah, maybe half, okay, yeah. Just start putting handfuls.
Okay.
Spinach cooks down so much, and then maybe we should just put the whole bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
That looks like these.
5 ounce bag of spinach. Boom, baby.
Mommy, why are you putting it in the pan? That's disgusting.
It's not dirty, Goofy.
This is a lot. We should not put all of this.
Okay, I'm definitely gonna go for some more chicken broth.
Okay.
Looks like it needs it, so
I'll
I'm gonna fill it halfway and put about 1/2 cup more. We'll see how that does. Because we're gonna be adding ravioli and everything, and we want it a little juicy.
My sister Layla, when I was a baby, she used to say, "Oh, Sophia." Yep, she did.
She sure did. She sure did. You were a calm baby until she got her hands on you. That sister. I have some Weber roasted garlic and herb.
She's crazy. She teach me how to shake my butt.
Truth comes out. Truth comes out on film. Okay, so about 1/2 teaspoon of that roasted garlic and herb. Keep mixing, babe. Keep mixing. See the spices there? And while you do that, I'm just going to cut the chicken in smaller pieces. until that spinach cooks down. So you want the spinach to cook down. Doesn't take long, 2-3 minutes. You are doing a fabulous job, my dear. Fabulous.
Let me just do that.
Just checking it. Okay, so that's cooking down really well.
There's stuff coming out.
Can you smell it?
Go up with the fire.
Oh, that smells really good. I smell the wine. All right, so next we're gonna put some peas. These are frozen. If you let them sit out and thaw a little bit, that's that's probably good.
I do not like.
So we're gonna put 1/2 cup. So this is 1/4. We're gonna double. Should be enough, huh? Mix them around, let's see. Okay. All right, so the peas have had time in the hot liquid. Now I'm gonna add the chicken back. It's all cut up. Looking scrumptious. Right, Juliet? Looking scrumptious?
My heart.
Is it? Let me help you then. Yeah. Ooh. It's okay. No, I'm gonna mix, and then we're just gonna let it sit and let the flavors all blend together for a minute, and then we're gonna add the pasta, the ravioli. Okay, so yeah, that's bubbling up really nice.
And this is the ravioli.
Okay, yeah. So once you add the chicken back in, let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then add your cooked ravioli.
I want to add it. I want to add it.
Okay. You scrape it in. It's heavy. It is heavy. Scrape it in. Carefully.
I got it.
See, it's kind of stuck. Careful. So I cooked the ravioli, and then I put olive oil on it to try to keep it from sticking. It's in a bit of a clump. Okay, listen. So yeah, I used the 20-ounce 4-cheese ravioli.
I got all mixed.
Okay, so she's gonna mix that. And then last, but certainly not least, is fresh basil.
Fresh basil. I say basil hazel. Like basil hazel. Look at me. Put some on this side, some on this side, some on this side, some on this side. This will taste so bad.
Get it nice and even. All right, so about 10 fresh basil leaves. Ooh, Juliet, look at that. Yum, right?
Mix it.
Please mix it, but don't fling it out of the bowl, out of the pan. All right? Okay, so we're gonna do some final mixing and then plate it and try it. So be right back. All right, we did it, huh, cutes? Okay, so
now we are gonna try it and put some.
yes, we're gonna finish it off with some fresh Parmesan cheese. Okay.
And this is a fork so my mom can eat.
Yes.
And a delicious, nice,
So I need-
beautiful plate.
Oh, you are cute. So I need a delicious bite. A little chicken, some ravioli. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. Mm-mm. Oh wow, that is some tasty food right there. So definitely go out and make this. It is delicious and fantastic, and thank you to my cute little sidekick for helping today. Helpful and entertaining, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and remember that all my recipes are down below. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Juliet.